Hi, come on. Sorry, I woke up a bit, sniffly. Anyway, trying to find Blue, and I can't find her anywhere. Can you help me find her? Great. I'll go this way. Let me know if you see her.
There she is!
What? You see Blue? Where?
Right there!
Blue, you got me. Oh, thank you, Blue. This is just what I needed to feel better. No? Tissues or paper towels are not what I need to feel better? Oh, okay. Then what do I need to feel better? Oh, I guess we're gonna play Blue's Clues to figure out what I need to feel better. We are gonna play Blue's Clues, because that's a really great game. Yeah. So, okay. Thank you, Blue. So remember, Blue's paw prints will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. But you know what we need to play Blue's Clues? Our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. Let's go get it. Hi, holster chair. How you feeling?
I'm a little sniffly.
Yeah, me too. Here it is. Thanks, holster chair.
You're welcome.
I can tell I'm really gonna need your help today, figuring out what I need to feel better. You help me, right? You will? Great. I think I might need it. To play Blue's Clues, we gotta find, right, a paw print. You got it. And that's our first, a clue. And then we put it in our, cause the Blue's Clues, Blue's Clues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We'll put it in our notebook because they're whose clues? Blue's Clues. We gotta find the last paw print. That's the third clue. We'll put it in our notebook because they're Blue's Clues, Blue's Clues. You know what to do. We'll sit down in our thinking chair and we'll think. Cause when we use our minds, we'll take a step at a time and we can do anything that we wanna do. Are you ready to help me look for Blue's Clues so we can figure out what I need to feel better? Great, let's go. We are looking for Blue's Clues. Holy mackerel, it's hard not to sneeze.
A clue!
Yeah, I know. I really need to find all the clues so we can figure out what I need to feel better with. There's probably some clues over here.
Right there!
Wait, what? You see our first clue? Where?
There!
There's a clue on this spoon. So a spoon is our first clue. Oops. Well, anyway, you know what we need. Our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook, right. So, a spoon. There's a long line that goes curving around, goes up and around like that. And there's a spoon. Okay, so our first clue is a spoon. Well, what do you think I could use to feel better with a spoon? Do you know? Maybe. But we need to find 2 more clues to figure it out. Come on. Healthy snacks. Healthy snacks. I love to eat my healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too. I love to eat healthy snacks. What?
A clue.
What? The flu? You think I have the flu? Oh God, I hope not. I hope it's just the sniffles. Because I hear the flu is bad.
No, a clue. Right there.
There's a clue on this. Wait, what is this?
A bowl.
A bowl. Right. Hey, this is the same bowl from before. I guess stuff can be the same clue again. But you know what we need. Our handy dandy notebook. Notebook. And I got it wrong. Notebook. Right. Okay, so. A bowl.
A bowl is an oval shape on top, a semicircle, and a line in the center. And there's a bowl.
And we have a bowl. Okay, so. Wait, what was our first clue?
A spoon.
Right. A spoon. And now our second clue is a bowl. Well, what could make me feel better with a spoon and a bowl? Do you know? Yeah, maybe. But we need to find our last clue so we can figure it out. Danny! Danny! Huh, that sounds like Mr. Salt. We better go see what's going on. Come on. Hi, Mr. Salt. Hi, Mrs. Pepper. Hi, Paprika. Hey, little Cinnamon. What can I do for you? We need to know if we have enough vegetables for us. We are making some soup for later. Oh, soup. I'm guessing vegetable soup. Well, what do you need?
We need to see if we have every vegetable we need.
Okay. How do we do that?
Are you okay? You sound bad.
I have a little bit of the sniffles. Red, blue? Yeah. We're playing Blue's Clues to figure out what I need to feel better. Anyway, so how can we help? What kind of vegetables do you need? We need
A carrot, a potato, and celery.
Oh, okay. Can you help? Do we have carrots, potato, and celery?
Yes.
We do? Which ones are they?
Those three.
Oh, these three. Oh, yeah. Because carrots are orange with a green stem on it. A potato is brown with eyes on it. And celery is green with bushy stuff and a long stem. Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can't wait to have some of your vegetable soup later. Better go put those back. Okay. Come on, Blue. We still need to find one more clue.
Wow.
What? Wait, you see our last clue? Where?
There.
Oh. The last clue's on the vegetables that we just chose. Huh? Blue must have stuck them on when I was trying to get her. Well, you know what we need. We need our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. Got it this time. So. Vegetables. Okay.
Okay, for vegetables, we'll start with a carrot, which is a triangle. Then some of the green stuff on top. Then the potato. Some eyes. Then the celery stick. some bushiness on top, some lines for the ridges, and there we have vegetables.
And we have vegetables. Vegetables is our third clue. You know what that means. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair, right? Let's go. Okay. Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay. So, what could I need to feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Well, okay, well, what if the spoon and the bowl were hanging with the vegetables and doing the vegetable dance? No! Yeah, no, that doesn't make sense at all. Vegetables can't move. Well, not by themselves, at least. Well, wait, didn't Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper said they were making something that contains vegetables? Well, you could put vegetables in a bowl, if it needs to be in a bowl, and you use a spoon to grab stuff. But what would it be if you put the vegetables in the bowl and you use it with a spoon? What is that?
Vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup, like Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper said they were making when they asked us to help them with the vegetables. Blue, is that what I need to feel better? Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper's vegetable soup? Huh? We just figured out Blue's clues. We sat on down, figured it out, what Blue's clues were all about. Wow, you know what? We're really smart. Come on, Blue. Let's go get some vegetable soup. And then get rid of these sniffles. Wow. Good vegetable soup. Hey, this is actually helping me feel better. Thanks, Blue. And thanks, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper, for making this soup. Hey, that makes me wonder. Do you ever get sick with stuff like this? Really? Oh yeah. Being sick can be hard. But it's not always bad. You just need to find the right remedy. Like, for example, vegetable soup. Which really is a cure for the sniffles. I feel really good already. Thank you so much for all your help today. Now it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart, you know, with me and you and my dog Blue, we can do anything that we wanna do. We can do anything that we wanna do. Bye, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Come on, Blue.